Welcome to our presentation on Bolivia virtual phone numbers, the perfect solution for those wanting a presence in Bolivia without the hassle of establishing. Benefits of a Bolivia offers several benefits such as lower calling rates, better call quality, international calling, SMS video conferencing, call forwarding. Features of Bolivia are features such as international top-up, call forwarding, caller ID, voicemail, video conferencing, SMS. Easy to use. Our Bolivia virtual phone numbers are straightforward to use, and you don't need any special technical knowledge. All you need to do is download. Cost-effective are an affordable solution for businesses that want to expand their operations into Bolivia. They offer significant cost advantages over setting. International calling offer international calling capabilities, which means that you can connect with customers, clients, and suppliers around the globe. Thank you for watching our presentation on Bolivia virtual phone numbers. If you'd like to learn more about our services or want to get started, Callmama. Connecting people with loved ones.